It's time to explore how words can build up or tear down, and how to align our speech with the heart and mind of Christ. We can practice identifying parts of speech, diagramming verses, and uncover the structure and meaning in God's Word. So let's learn together how spiritual truths are often hidden in paradoxes that defy human logic, like strength through weakness. And also, let's check out the etymology of some words. Where did that come from? When we look at the whole structure of an English sentence, it becomes clear what the meaning is and how to apply it. Let's review and see exactly what it is that makes words so powerful in our own lives and in the lives of others.